Nice. You know, I used to hate fireworks when I was a kid. They scared the living piss out of me.
I wonder how my dog's doing. They're like delayed. Oh no, never mind. I'm like, they don't all light up.
I like to look and see if you can see it shooting in the air. Sometimes I can. Sometimes I can't.
The kids cheering every time one explodes, yeah.
I can't wait to have kids and take them to fireworks.
Every single one?
4th of July used to scare the crap out of me. This is one day I would not want to be flying. Twofer.
Hey, that's what the cops did when they came to our house. 2 for 1? Oh. I like to try and see if I can see designs in them. I love those.
That's so pretty. Wait,
tell me this isn't the finale.
They're like, thank you and good night, Scott Valley.
Baby boom. Baby boom.
I don't think we could have gotten much closer to the depot. I mean, if we had gotten to the depot, it would have been much closer to the park.
I like it better.